Hello everyone, welcome back to Vickie's Country Home. Today's kind of an unboxing and maybe a shopping hint for some of you. I have an old non-stick frying pan and it's really deep and really large and I use it all the time, but that non-stick coating's getting scratched and I don't want to use it anymore. It's going in the trash. So after doing some research, I decided to stick with stainless steel because I love using it. I wanted to get a really good quality stainless steel. What I was looking at was all-clad, but I can't afford their prices. They're very good quality, but they're very expensive. So I started researching, looking for a multi-clad stainless steel, which is totally, the entire pan is layers, and usually it's 3 to 5 layers, and of course all clad is going to be up there on the 5 layers, most of it. But to get it in my budget, it was going to be stainless steel with an inner aluminum core that helps it to heat evenly. So that's what I searched for. So this is what I got. It's Cuisinart Multi-Clad Pro Stainless, and it's 3 layers. So this is what it looks like. It's a really nice weight. The lid fits so that all liquids are going to go back down into the pan. And it's really nice. So I'm looking forward to cooking with this and tossing that old pan because it's just not safe to use. But I got such a good price on it, $51.35. And if you look at All Clad or any of the others, they are so much more expensive. And I got this off Amazon, and I will leave a link below for this. But then I also, while I was shopping, I found some tools that y'all might be interested in also. And the first one, I was really excited. I saw this, I think it was on a King Arthur video, and I don't believe they sell it because I went and looked. But this is a pie pastry blender. So when you're making your pie crust, you have the little 3 wires or metal pieces that you cut the dough with. And never fails, you get dough stuck on it. This is supposed to be patented clog-free cutting blades, and when I watched the video, it was amazing how fast this thing worked, because you've got more than double the blades, but you're also not stopping to clean them all the time. So it's called the Perfect Pie Blender, and I will leave a link for this for Amazon below. But I'm looking forward to making my next pie crust. And then the other thing I found, and again this would make a really good gift either to someone or to yourself. So this is a Master Chopper Pro, and I have the Vidalia Chop Wizard and I love it. I wear them out though, and this is supposed to be stronger, but it also comes with a lot of other options, including a Mandoline and egg slicer, egg separator, juicer, spiral cut. This is supposed to do all of those. So I'm looking forward to trying this. So I'm going to open it up and let's see what it looks like. Alright, that's what it looks like. Alright, let's pull this out. And this is the main part of it. They pack a lot in this box, I'm going to tell you that. This is the chopper part that's kind of like the Vidalia Chop Wizard. And this is probably the larger dice. The Mandoline, and this is just with the straight blade on it. That's sharp, and I haven't even taken it out yet. It's a vegetable peeler, and it also, let's see if I can get where you can see, on this side you can get julienne strips with it. That wasn't why I got it, but I'll try that and see how well it works. Cleaning tools. And this is one of the spiralizers, and again, it will cut in julienne strips. And a safety guard. And if you hear that noise, that's my oven, because I am roasting some beef bones to make beef bone broth. This is the hand protector for the Mandoline. And here is the small dicer with the little tool to clean it. And it does have a safety warning because these blades are sharp. And you would hope so, but I'm sure there's somebody that wouldn't pay attention. And then the main body of it, and it's fairly thick plastic, so that's encouraging. There's an instruction book. And boy, there's all kinds of stuff in here. And I really like the fact that it has a little storage unit that it comes with. So, you know it's not all going to fit in this unit itself. And I like this because these extra pieces that we pulled out of here, it's got places to store everything. And I'm going to have to see where everything fits, but it's nice that it has that. Comes with a glove that will protect your hand when you're cutting. This is the regular Spiralizer blade, and it's just a flat blade. And then there's just all different types of grating. These are all for the Mandoline. So you can grate cheese or whatever with this. I think it goes in there. An egg slicer. Again, a lot more than I bought it for, but kind of nice to have them. This is the egg separator. I never needed one of those. And a juicer. So if you're looking for something that does a lot of things, this looks like it'll do it. Now the test is, will it do as it says? And I'm not going to try out everything, but I figured one thing that's difficult to slice and dice, and it's really firm and a lot of things wouldn't necessarily go through it. This is a carrot that I dug out of my garden, and I'm storing it in sand in the garage. So let's see, I'm going to just slice it in half and then down the middle, just so it'll fit in the blades. And I'm going to just set those on there and see how it does. And you want to lock the blade in place. And it did the job. So that was kind of the hardest thing I could think of to show you a demonstration. So these will be going in my stock, my beef bone broth. So there you go. I'm looking forward to using this in a lot of recipes and seeing how well it works over the long haul. But I thought I'd just show it to you and kind of give you an idea for maybe a gift for someone. Now, I bought this on Amazon, and I'll leave another Amazon link down below for this if you're interested. This model was $29.99. They had some that were a few dollars less that had different blade options, but this had the ones that I really wanted, so this is what I got. So I hope that's helpful, and I hope it gives you some ideas for those people in your life that love to cook, even if it's yourself. Thank you for watching, and I hope you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this with your friends. But be sure to hit the little notification bell so you know when I'm uploading videos. Thanks for watching. God bless, and we will talk again soon.